Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I will be reviewing this lovely wig from Sensationnel. If you'd like to hear more about this lovely wig, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to leave a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, check out my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let me show y'all I have something on because it kind of looked like I didn't. But so without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so we're here with the Sensational Swiss lace silk based lace frontal in the style SUNNIVA and the color T427613. And it's like a dark root to blonde ombre color. I was really excited to feel this hair because it's a human hair and hybrid mix. So it has a few layers to it. I didn't expect that. Okay, so this is like some of the softest hair. And I know you can apply heat to it to up to 400 degrees. So I'm kind of curious to see how it would look, you know, with a little bump to it. Just maybe like the, you know, maybe like the little bang pieces right here. And the color is so seamless. You definitely see the 427-613 transition. It's very seamless. The ombre looks just so good, and it's pretty much consistent throughout. The hair has a nice little healthy sheen to it. Sometimes I could be a little nervous about having blonde hair that is not human hair because it can look a little shiny and a little wiggy, but this one looks very natural. The blend, I'm guessing that's the hybrid of it all with human hair. It's really nice. There's a few baby hairs in the front. I didn't really play with the baby hairs because I kind of didn't feel like it, but they do have there is some baby hairs in the front. So in the front there is a 6x4 inch Swiss parting area, and I just have it parted down the middle right here, but I also tried parting it on either side, and it looks really nice either way you part it. The scalp looks so natural. I didn't have to add any concealer or do any plucking. It just looks good as is. Very natural hairline. To me, the part is definitely one of the best parts of the wig. It makes it look that much more fly. The lace itself is very soft and comfortable. I don't feel it. Sometimes when the lace is hard, it irritates my skin, and I'm like, I can't wait to take this wig off my head. But this one is very comfortable, and it has a little stretch to it. It's not just one length, it's like layers, plenty of layers. And while we're talking about the layers, let me show you the length. This wig has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. So you good on keeping your wig secured, which is so important to me. I like when wigs have combs. Like, a wig is not a good wig unless it has a couple of combs and adjustable straps. This wig is dense and full of hair. There's not really any thin spaces with this wig at all. Like, you get a very thick head of hair with this wig, and it is also big head friendly for those who need some extra room in their wig caps. I didn't experience much tangling other than the ordinary tangling you get with longer wigs. This wig is actually very good with tangling. You can kind of finger comb it and it gets straight. I experienced a good bit of shedding, but not too much, just your average amount. So overall, if I had to grade this wig, I would give it an A because the hair is so soft. It feels like human hair. I know it's a hybrid mix, but it just feels like straight up human hair. The color is flawless. Like, I really didn't expect for the color to be this bomb. And also, the parting is very natural without me having to do anything to it. No concealer, no plucking. It's just like I whipped this out the box and it was perfect, and that's ideal for a wig. So I'm really here for this Sensational. Shout out to SAMSBEAUTY. If you would like to purchase this wig, it will be down below. And let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comments. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.